Hello guys, welcome back to Tronics Energy. We are in our smart fan project, and today, as you can see in our main circuit board, we don't have the potentiometer which we were using in our previous videos to control the speed. Actually, the speed of the fan is being controlled automatically from now on using a temperature sensor. So this is a temperature sensor, is an LM35. I've housed it using a heatsink. It's not very important, but I'm going to explain why that is there. It's not important, yes. So basically how the circuit operates is that as the temperature rises, also the speed of the fan increases, and as the temperature drops, also the speed of the fan drops. So in like few months ago, I did a circuit using an LM35, and how you connect the circuit with the operation amplifier or the comparator, and how it gives you an output, and how you can do or what you can do with that output. So if you're interested, I'm going to put a link in the description for that video, and you can just go there and check how to connect the LM35 and how it operates, and how to connect it in your breadboard. So yeah, so that's how the circuit operates. So the reason as to why, now let me explain. The reason as to why this heatsink or this housing is here is because I want to demonstrate using a hot soldering gun. I'm going to place it on top, and the housing is going to trick the LM35 that's the overall temperature of the room. So it's going to trick it, and that's where it's going to start increasing the speed of the fan. So you're going to see this LED start rising from this red one to all the way to the green one, and as they increase, also the speed of the fan increases. So let's see. So I'm going to place it on top like that, and we are going to wait. So you're going to see this LED start rising. So we wait. You can see the yellow LED start turning on. Yes, the breeze of the fan is a little bit more than before, and then we wait until the green LED turns on. Yes, the fan speed has increased. Now we are waiting for the green LED, meaning that the fan is going to be at maximum speed. So we wait. Yes, you can see the green LED starts to blink. Yeah, it means that the temperature is too high, and the fan is almost at full speed. It's at full speed actually. Yes, so that's basically how the circuit operates. And if I just remove the soldering gun, the temperature sensor starts to coming back to its normal temperature. So yes, you will see the LED starts turn off slowly one by one. It means the temperature is coming back to its normal room temperature, and the fan speed is also reducing because it's directly proportional to how the LEDs are. Yes, so the LEDs just indicate how the fan is moving. Yes, now it's at its normal speed. It has come back to its normal speed. So that's basically how the circuit operates. So this is how you connect or make a fan being controlled by a temperature sensor. And yeah, so that's basically how the circuit operates. That's what I wanted to show you guys today. So thank you very much guys for your time. Please subscribe and follow Tronics Energy. I'm still going to put that link in the description. If you're interested, you can just go there and check how the circuit, how you connect LM35 to give you an output like the one I've connected here. So thank you very much guys for that, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.